We are both at our happiest when out and about in our motorhome, with no particular place to go, enjoying the beauty of the natural surroundings, but also enjoying the vast array of human creations, from places of worship to viaducts and castles. Today, we travelled to the New Forest, a favourite haunt of ours, to ply our new drone flying skills and capture the winter beauty of the landscape. The day began with heavy and sideways rain, but we held on to the forecast promise of sun by lunchtime. Salisbury Cathedral is the tallest in the country at 404 feet, with one of the 4 original copies of the Magna Carta housed inside it. However, the rain really didn't show it off in its glory today. The cathedral, that is, not the Magna Carta. Then the rain subsided and left us with glorious sunshine, albeit with the odd rainbow and angry cloud, all afternoon. After setting up camp at Blacknall Caravan and Motorhome Club site, we spent the afternoon walking, filming and flying Digby the drone around and over the surrounding area, keeping Digby well clear of the ponies. From the air, it was possible to see evidence of coppicing, damming of the waterways, and ridge and furrow cultivation by farming families from medieval times. As the light began to fade, we headed back to the campsite to join Mileo for the evening. What a delightful afternoon after such a rough start to the day. Having Mileo provides us with everything we need, day and night, and has given us our freedom, for which we are eternally thankful.